Alrighty. Now, yes, I know I'm dirty. Just, yeah, I was playing in the dirt, so. But I'm throwing up some videos. There's a whole group of them. I went to a cool show today. There's going to be a whole group of videos. I'm going to put them in a playlist. And in the description, I will put a link to each and every video. Maybe even the playlist or whatever. I don't know. But I'm throwing them all out today. If you're seeing this video, there's others. And I'm putting the same intro in all the videos. So you're going to have to hear me repeat myself. These videos are awesome. Just go watch them. They're amazing. Alrighty? Till next time. Alright, so here's the Sawmill. This is different. Last year they had a big diesel engine sitting right here. Now they're hooking up the steam engine to it. That building wasn't there last year. They're going to run this thing off the steam engine. They got a saw over here. Pretty cool saw. Recognize that? Big hit and miss engine in the back. Cutting up the slabs. We'll stick around and watch this.
Yeah. It's perfect line-wise. We went out there a little tighter. Yeah. Tighter? Yeah, it's too loose. But other than that. I was just getting it over You gotta mix in.
Look at all that black smoke.
Yeah, there's a lot of smoke, isn't there?
Look at the girl on the side.
Which one? On the valve?
How is this so funny?
Come here. Come here. We don't want to stand here, buddy. Come here. I can feel the heat from here. She's hot.
What? Which way do I want to be? Back. How you gonna help him with this?
Still hacked around.
Probably stage running now.
My dad's standing here. What happened to the big diesel engine?
They decided to go with the steam engine. It's more old-fashioned.
Yeah.
That diesel engine they had here, that used to belong to the New Enterprise.
Yeah.
That's what they use to mix all the cement with. You see Chris putting oil on
I didn't notice.
the belt there? He was over here and had a little can of oil.
I didn't notice.
Put oil on the belt.
Why?
Believe it or not, it makes it stick.
Make it sticky.
Yeah. More friction now. Takes a little bit of running, you know.
Yeah.
That's an old timer's trick.
Custom muffler on that. That blocks the belt there.
Sit down.
funny. I'm looking at the camera and the wheel looks like it's hardly spinning. But it's really spinning a lot faster. There's ash falling out of the air. How many horsepower is that thing?
That's a 40.
40.
Yeah. 40 horses, about 100,000, sometimes more.
Really?
They rate, well, I'm not just exaggerating. They rate things today, you know, they say,
Yeah.
freaking little lawnmower rated 20 horses. It is, but it don't have any torque.
That's like a governor spinning around up there on top.
Yeah, correct. Yeah. It's working off centrifugal force.
Yeah.
You watch when he hits the log, it'll get skinnier. What
Yeah.
that does is that opens the steam valve and lets more steam into the engine to maintain the RPM.
Is this a frick
No, this is a case.
case? I'm trying to figure out which ones are which.
1912.
1912
And
case.
that's the two tricks behind it.
Okay.
There's another case.
First thing I noticed is the way the steering works, the way the chain
Yeah.
runs around there.
It's Armstrong brand power steering.
Yeah, Armstrong. You better have big arms.
Yeah.
How much water does it go through?
Enough.
A lot.
How long you hauled? Can you tell me
Oh, did you? Oh, good for you.
You want to see the camera shutter? Look at the wheel.
Isn't that crazy?
It looks like it's barely turning.
Yeah. Ha.
Yeah, I'll go back and see what's going on. There's some wires on that.